So selling a house in probate can feel like a maze. There's lots of paperwork, legal steps, and an emotional decision around all of it. I'm Kristen with Driven2 Solutions, and I help families and attorneys navigate the probate process from start to finish. Today I'm walking you through a step-by-step guide so you'll know exactly what to expect when selling a probate property. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss any new details. So step 1, you're going to start the probate process. The first step is to go to the courthouse and file your paperwork and petitions for probate. This usually happens when the executor named in the will goes to the courthouse, or if there's no will, an administrator files a petition to open probate. The court then gives them the legal authority to act on behalf of the estate. Without this step, the property can't be sold. You have to have special designation and authority to be able to sell the real estate. If you do not have that, then you will have to take that extra step before you can actually sell the property. Next, the home needs to be valued. Some courts require a certified appraisal, while others accept a comparative market analysis from a real estate professional like myself. This sets the baseline for pricing, and in some cases, the court will require the property to sell for a certain percentage of its appraised value. Next, you're going to, depending on the situation, prepare for what has to be done. Sometimes families choose to sell the property as is to save time and avoid repair costs. Other times, small updates can boost the price. At Driven2 Solutions, we help with the property cleanouts, the donations, deciding which improvements are worth the effort, and giving you an as-is offer price versus a listed price so that you can make a decision of what makes the most sense for you in the situation. Once the property is ready, it's time to list it. This is where working with someone familiar with probate sales matters because the marketing and the buyer pool can be different. We often target investors and cash buyers who are comfortable with probate timelines, as well as traditional buyers when the property is in good condition. Then the offers will start to come in. And when that happens, the executor or administrator will have to review those offers. But here's the catch. In some states, the sale has to be confirmed by the court. That means the highest offer might not be the final until a court hearing is held and the judge approves it. If court confirmation is needed, the sale price is made public, and sometimes higher bids can come in at the hearing, a process called overbidding. Your real estate agent should guide you through this so there are no surprises. Once the court gives the green light, or if you're in a state that doesn't require confirmation, you move to closing. The funds from the sale go into the estate account, and the executor uses them to pay the debts, taxes, and then distribute what's left to the heirs. Selling a probate property takes patience, but with the right guidance, it doesn't have to be stressful. Remember, I'm Kristen with Driven2 Solutions, and my role is to handle the real estate side so families and attorneys can focus on what matters most. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more tips and reach out if you need a probate real estate partner in your journey. Till next time.